Guys, we are now in the passenger side seat. So we're going to be doing the GPS receiver, the antenna for the GPS. And it's a small little box. I'm going to take some 3M double back tape, typically used for body trim panels. And I'm going to basically build a square box around this and then one strip in the middle. And I'm going to mount this on the passenger side of the mirror, about right here. And then I'm going to run the wire tucked up against this headliner, and I'll probably come across this line here, and then I'll tuck it under here. And I'll work down and then up and over to the radio. And as I do this, I'll provide some more instructions. But this is basically the way it's going to mount, just because I don't want it like up here or up here. You know, I kind of want it somewhere where it's not very noticeable. And I want the mic on the driver's side. So that's why I picked the passenger side for the GPS antenna. So I'll keep you guys posted as I get the double back tape on this GPS receiver. Here you can see that I double back taped this. It's very sturdy. The wire goes straight up and is tucked behind the headliner all the way down. And then it goes to here, and then it tucks under this. This was very hard to tuck under. I ended up using the trim piece to actually push the wire down in there. So it went down in here. And then it's just behind this flap and going all the way down. You can see where it comes out right there. I'm going to continue all the way down till probably this line, and then I'm going to cut across, start cutting across into the dash. So this one's going to be much easier than the backup cam. So the final route for the GPS is across this, down this, and then just kind of in this grommet, following this grommet all the way down to right there. And then I take a little bit of the wire and I kind of loop, so there's some slack, and then it goes behind this piece here and under, and then it just kind of tucks underneath here. And because it's being pulled towards the radio, it's staying tucked. And then the hardest part is getting it from this corner back to here. There is a path. I would recommend just taking something such as a iPhone charger and sending it down that hole until you see it come out. Tape it to the end of the GPS antenna, and then pull your iPhone charger up. That's actually what I did to get it up here. And again, when mine came up, it came up through here, and I just took it, you know, and tucked it over here. So, but this part took over 30 minutes just to get from the bottom of here to behind this radio. That was probably one of the most difficult parts. So, but it is possible, and there is a pathway. I just can't really show you that pathway. So, next is the microphone wire, and then we're putting this thing in.